This is the PT216W. And what is it? It's a thermometer. It measures the temperature that's in a specific room, greenhouse, a garage where your regular existing thermometer cannot go. And that is the thermostat of your boiler, let's say. Now, the good thing about this is if you're not home and you want to monitor something, you grab your smartphone and you get to see the temperature readings. Well, I don't have any lights or any heat outside, but we do have a tank upstairs that we want to monitor and check the temperature on. So let's open this up, show you what it looks like and how to set it up, an easy way of using it. If you need to check temperatures like for medication, going away, something very portable, that's what this is about. Now you open it up and it takes two AAA batteries that are included, and it has a data or charging cable as well. If you want to plug this in for long term, you have the cable to do so. The batteries are in, and it's very simple to turn on by pressing a button. But first we're going to set up the application. TUYA is the app. Let's download it. We see a blinking light over here. We're going to touch this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to add a device. Continue. Smart would like to use your Bluetooth, discovering automatically the devices. Add 5.0 or 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Temperature 71.6 degrees at 30%, 36% humidity. Now we're going to go put this thing to a test and show you where we're going to put it. I have a greenhouse. Oh, look at that. I got veggies growing. I want to place this in here, out of the way, like right over there. We're looking at the app right now, and it will update me in a little later time. As it's set up outside, we could try to click on the big icons. And what you need to do is hit the settings or scroll down as you can see how the unit works. Now we hit on settings, it gives us the temperature unit. And when you hit on temperature unit, it opens up the personal information, account history, device, and so forth. We turn on touch tone on the panel and we have more information if you want to get into there, more features and so forth. So we could back out of this and we could scroll back into the actual unit and we could see, for example, the maximum and minimum of the unit and how it progresses during the day. It is 71.6 degrees, 71.4 degrees as the minimum right now. So the unit is doing its job. Now, we're going to come back at a later time and we can go into the different applications here of my front doorbell and a smoke detector. So if I want to look at the PT216, I just click on it and it will update me. It shows me 92% of the battery. So off we go. We turn a little later and see what it progresses out there with the temperature. A number of hours have passed and I want to check my temperature of the greenhouse. It's 47.4 degrees and it's got 79% humidity. So now, I'm going to go put it by the little lizard upstairs and monitor his temperature. We put our thermometer down here, thermostat, and we could come back and see if he's going to have enough heat. And if it gets a little too low, we know we could raise it up and we'll come back later. You get the idea how it works, so you get an idea of if you need to monitor a baby's room, a kid's room, an aquarium area, a lizard terrarium area, a greenhouse, wherever you need to monitor with the thermostat. This product may be just right for you.